Well, it's time to sharpen my Manix and Maxamet again. Now I've already sent Big Brown Bear's CBN stones back to him. So this is going to be my final video where I kind of compare my silicon carbide stones against the last results I had of his CBN stones. When I use this sharpening pond, unfortunately, the elevation for my camera is not very high, and I don't have a real tripod. I've got one of those little short ones. It's about 4 or 5 inches tall. So cutting the edge off, and we're going to go ahead and get this re-sharpened. Now I recently conditioned this stone, so the texture on it is very, very aggressive. I don't know if you can hear it, but it is not smooth at all. So this should make short work of this steel. And I'm not marking any spot, I'm just going to start testing randomly. It's 107. $85. 119. I'm gonna start testing near the tip. 124. 102. And 67. So averaging it out, the flats came out to 104, the belly came out to 98. My numbers were kind of all over the place. I was testing just randomly across the edge, not in specific points. However, with it being all over the place, I don't know if that's just my piss poor sharpening or the edge guesser making up shit. The reason I say that is because I kind of rushed through this whole process. I was just trying to get it done. And at the same time, these results have been skewed so many times, I never know what to think. Anyway, they are what they are. I'll put the best chart at the end so you guys can make your comparisons if you'd like. I appreciate everyone watching. Y'all have a good one.